for your hour.
Wait for our turn.
Mama, that you bought the
Oh, no,
thing.
wait.
I got you, baby. No more do myself. Mama, that you bought the thing. Me? I said that you. I just said so. It's making some change.
Wow.
Eat
It's
it.
got there. Go. At the bottom. Well done. Coco melon for Michael. Friends for mommy. Where are we now? Where are we? Where?
In the airport.
Waiting to board. Nagutom ang baby boy. Grabe, it's a disaster. Checking in. Oh my God, I had to repack twice and we had to buy a new luggage. A big one. Where are we going?